Welcome again to the Bigblue video series. Today we've got Tyler Hall.
Hello.
And myself, Christina Baker, from the Bigblue headquarters in Clearwater, Florida. And we're going to be talking about the CB series of lights today. The CBs came about a few years back, and they reference the type of LED that's used, which is a chip on board. So it's different from the Cree LEDs of the rest of our line. The chip on board technology came out a few years ago, and basically it's a more efficient way of delivering light, and it allows more LEDs per surface area. So it's much more efficient, you get a lot more light and maintaining that burn time. So as you can see, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 here of all of these lights using that chip on board or COB technology. And the other difference that makes these lights unique is the color. That is 5,000 Kelvin.
Yes.
Okay, so it's a little warmer light. All of these are going to have that same warm light. Some of them have built-in red LED, some of them have built-in red and blue, but they all are going to have that main Kelvin range of 5,000. So perfect for video lighting. We're going to start with the 4,000. This is the smallest light in the line. So CB, chip on board, 4,000 lumens, and P is for push button. We're going to light this one up.
Yep.
And
so they all have 120 degree wide angle extra, video beam on
no
them.
hard edge.
Yep, no
there.
hard edge.
So perfect light for video.
Yep. Yep. They all kind of emulate the sunshine, so you can get that effect when you're down deep in the water. You can get the sunshine effect.
Yeah, exactly. So we got the 4,000, and then we go up to the 7,200 lumen. So this guy, a little bit bigger base on it, a little bit bigger battery, still maintaining the 1.5-hour burn time on high.
Yep.
And all of these are going to have different power settings. So this one here, you've got 4 to maintain or increase your battery life depending on your needs. They all are going to have a lighted battery indicator. It's going to start out at blue when it's full. It's going to go down to green when it's 50%. Then it goes down to, it'll shine red when it's at 10%, and it'll flash red when it's time to get out of the water.
Yes.
So these two guys are both the same size bodies, both the same 7,200 lumen output. The difference in this one is it has a built-in blue light. So I'm gonna cycle through. So we're gonna start at that high, and then 3 settings on the white, and then 3 settings on the blue mode. And then if we hold it down, it goes into SOS. And then if we tap it twice, oh, no, that's the blue. There we go. So that's your highest blue, and it's fairly bright.
Yes. Disco party.
Yeah, disco party. And the main function, the main reason for the blue light is to illuminate fluorescence. Any of the lights with the blue bezels are going to come with a yellow filter that'll help illuminate those fluorescents even more. So it's a really cool option to have there. Next one down.
So we've got the CB 11,000. Another cool thing that I want to touch on too is all of these heads, so even the 11,000 PBRC, they're all interchangeable. They all take the 21700 by 4 battery. So that's a really cool function of all of these. So this is 11,000 lumens, the chip on board technology. So let's shine it on Diver Dan here. So that's on the high setting. And then wait 2 seconds, it'll shut off. If you double click the button, you'll go into red. One more click puts you in the high, and then wait 2 seconds and it's off. That's the CB 11000P. We also do that one in the built-in with the blue fluorescent lighting. The fluorescent lighting is really good for coral. So if you creep up on some coral and you shine that blue light on it, you're gonna see the colors that you wouldn't be able to see with just the warm light. It makes for some really cool videos and some cool photography. So that is those two. One cool thing about the 11000 PBRC, the CB, is that it's remote controllable. So you can get an optical fiber cable, which won't come with the retail package on this, but in the Pro Pack, it will come with a remote control and optical fiber cable. So you can control it just from something like this. You can control all of the light's functions right from your camera tray. It is a very, very cool option. We'll show you on the 15,000.
And you don't have to use the optical fiber if you don't want to. You don't have to use the remote control. This is sealed so that it can be used either way.
Yep. So no damage will be done without the optical fiber cable. So this is the CB 16,500. That was last year's model. So yeah, this is an upgraded model for the CB. This one takes a 18650 by 7 battery. It is a big light. All of them are going to come with the mounting square too. So you'll get a 1-inch ball in the retail package, and you can put that 1-inch ball on, and then you go from that ball to a double clip to a 1-inch ball on the camera tray. And those are, you can move it around and get it right. So let's see, 16,500.
And a shield for this one.
Oh yeah. So I think these, we're getting it into the 160-degree
Correct.
beam angle.
Yes.
Yep.
So a little bit broader than these guys here. Go from 120 degrees to 160 degrees.
So very, very cool light. All of these can go down over 300 feet deep. So you can get down where there is no light and you can have the sunshine in your hand. So this is the CB, same light that we just showed you, the CB 16500 PBRC. So this one is also remote controllable. I've got that plugged in right there, and I'm gonna control this one just from the remote control. So the first function there, if you wait 2 seconds, it'll shut off, and then you can just cycle through the buttons. Got 3 modes of the blue, and then if you tap the top button, you'll go into the red. You tap it again, it'll shut off. So that is the CB 16500 PBRC.
And just 2 buttons on that remote control. So very easy to operate.
Yep, and you can plug in 2 lights into this too. So, instead of reaching up on your camera rig, you can just press this for each light.
Right, that remote controller will control 2 lights at once.
Yes.
So whatever button you're pushing, it's going to activate both of those lights at the same time.
Yep. That is really cool. Optical fiber cable is the thing that controls all that. All right, so we are moving up to the CB 30,000 P2. This light has been around for a few years now, very comparable to the VL 36,000. The main difference is going to be the color temperature on this. So the 5,000 Kelvin, 160-degree wide-angle beam. It's got the mounting square for all your mounting needs. And here we go. Whoa! So cool.
Very cool.
All right.
I can feel the heat coming off of that one.
Oh yeah. Need to cook your eggs in the morning? Just
definitely needs to be submerged in water when you're getting in those big guys, because they do heat up fairly quickly.
Yep. So this is going to have the same functions as all the rest of this line. It's going to have the 4 power settings, double click for red mode, hold down for SOS. So yeah, that's the CB 30,000 P2. It's one of our biggest ones. We do have one that's twice the size, twice as strong, the 60,000 CB.
Yes.
That is a Canon.
Yes, if
So.
you like to dive with cannons, it's a good shoulder workout.
Yeah. Yep. And pretty much no one else in your group will need a light if you have that thing. So.
Yes, exactly.
Yep.
So that's the lineup of the CB lights here at Bigblue Dive Lights. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to Tyler or myself. Check out the whole line at www.bigbluedivelights.com. We're also branching out into TikTok.
Yes.
And doing some more shorts on there. So we'd love for you to join us there. Instagram, Facebook, wherever you're at, we're there. And of course, here on YouTube at our channel here at Bigblue Dive Lights.
So like, share, follow, subscribe, all the things.
All the things.
We appreciate you guys very much. Thank you again.
Definitely. Thank you. Have a great day and happy diving.
Happy diving.